Hello, hello, magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Scorpio. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang quick energy check-in para sa Scorpio. At alamin natin anong kaganapan ngayong patapos na ang love month at papasok ang Marso. Okay? So, gagawin ko is bubunot ako ng 2 cards, each for the recent past, present, and near future. Okay, tapos using the second card, interpret pa natin further ang kaganapan. At habang binabalak ko to, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng Scorpio na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Okay, thank you. At sa mga bago, please supportahan niyo na rin po ang aking channel by liking this video, sharing it sa mga kilala niyo pang Scorpio na nangangailangan ng guidance, at engage na kayo sa comment section, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. And syempre, subscribe na para mag-grow yung channel ko. Really hoping na mag-grow siya soon. And sana mag-improve na yung setup, di ba? Pero for now, this will be. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. So, recent past, Knight of Swords, Five of Coins, Seven of Coins, Queen of Wands, the Fool, okay, and Knight of Wands. Alright. Okay, so there's a very strong energy of Aries and Aquarius in this connection. So, pwede yun yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na ito. Okay. So, interpret na natin. So, nagsimula siya sa Knight of Swords. Okay, which is, in the recent past, there was this thrill na i-pursue ka ng person na to. However, okay, lumabas yung Five of Coins. So, hindi naging okay yung connection. Alright? Since yung tao na to pinipursue ka, possible na pinahinto mo siya na i-pursue ka. Okay? And it led to a separation. Okay? But at the present moment, okay, so at the present moment, you're trying to reflect on the situation. Anong nangyari, di ba? Kasi na-realize mo na meron pala kayong deep connection. Parang nung una, parang, pass muna. Parang gumanon kayo. Parang pass muna. Gusto kong i-pursue nitong tao na to eh, pero parang nag-pass ka. Pero now, you're reflecting on it and you're trying to evaluate yung situation, di ba? Kasi na-realize mo na meron pala kayong deep connection. And in the near future, yon magkakaroon ng panibagong simula, as shown here by the Fool. At itong panibagong simula, I think both of you will reconnect and bibigyan mo na siya ng chance to pursue you. Okay? And again, doesn't have to na lalaki to pinupurso ka, tas babae ka. Pwede rin babae, pinupurso ka at lalaki ka. Or pwedeng same gender situation din, di ba? So, kasi mayroon tayong notion na kapag pursue, parang guy to girl, di ba? So, it lahat naman, wala namang gender kasi dito sa tarot reading. Okay? So, there will be a new beginning. for the both of you. And as shown here with the Knight of Wands is, ayun siya, magpo-proceed siya. At there will be more um, eagerness sa side mo na parang, sige, bigyan ko na to ng chance. Okay? That would happen in the near future. Okay? Ayan, that's nice. So, tingnan natin, ano bang kaganapan pa sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And clarify lang natin yung each um, set. And habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat na collective reading ito. So it may or may not resonate. At kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag po nating pilitin. It only means na hindi siya para sa inyo. Okay? So abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love readings. Sana by that time, masagop ko na yung energy nyo at mag-resonate na siya. Kaya abang-abang lang. Kaya subscribe na sa aking channel. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin. Bakit nag-pass ka? Okay. Bakit kaya? Eh, gusto ko talaga nito i-pursue Four of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So, as shown here by the Four of Wands and Knight of Pentacles, I think meron ka lang trust issues. Okay? So, Knight of Pentacles is having trust. However, nakakabit siya kasi dito kay Four of Wands din that it's a milestone kasi. Parang you don't just give yung trust to anyone. Diba? For you, trust is earned. Okay? That's why parang hindi ka pa ganun kasigurado kasi. Okay? And kaya nag-pass ka agad without even sitting on it muna. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng moment of reflection ngayon. And di ba nga sa Seven of Coins, parang nag-try kang mag-reflect and evaluate yung situation. Because in the past, yung reason bakit ka nag-pass is something medyo, impulsive ang nafe-feel kong energy. Kasi because of trust issues. But tingnan natin yung present moment. Ayan okay na siya. So, diba? So, Page of Swords, okay, which is, yun nga, gusto mong, na-curious ka na rin. Kasi Page of Swords, yung energy niya is being curious. Diba? So, na-curious ka na rin dun. Kasi parang na-feel mo na, may connection naman pala kami. Okay? So, na-curious ka and you want to put it in action. So, you'll act on it na sige, bibigyan ko na siya ng chance. So, there will be yung on your part na, sige na, go na, push na natin to. Okay? So, kaya in the near future, may bagong simula and tingnan natin, di ba, King of Swords. Di ba? So, King of Swords is being honest, mature, and shown here by the Death card, this one is, I see here, it's not a negative thing because Death card is also a rebirth, okay, and transforming or embracing change, which is there's a new beginning. Death is nag-end na yung past, yung trust issues mo, na-realize mo na siya, nag-reflect ka na. So, there was an ending and that was that ending. Okay? And nagta-transform na siya ngayon kaya may panibagong simula. Okay? Because now, the King of Swords is being more honest when it comes to what you feel. Okay? And expressing it now. Kasi bibigyan mo na siya ng chance eh. So, sasabihin mo na sa kanya na, go, tara, game. Hindi na pass. Play na. Okay? Oh, Hindi nabawi, laban na, di ba? Okay? So, tingnan natin ang advice ni universe sa inyo. So, see? One more. So, laban na to. Bawal na ang bawi. Advice from the universe. About life's purpose, experience the reality of ecstasy. Okay, so ang sinasabi lang ng um, card din na to, di ba? So, ang manifestation, ang mantra niya, basahin ko from the deck. I am empowered to build a legacy of love and thrive in a sacred community with focused intention uh, and diligence. I accomplish great things that benefit my being. So, and yung quote pa dito na nakapit is love is the goal, life is the journey. Okay? So, alam mo naman din na, diba, the goal of this connection is to really experience love. Okay? And it's part of life. Maybe syempre may reason bakit meron kang trust issues, diba? Pero now that you sat on it and nag-reflect ka na, now you're giving this person a chance. And it's a um, it's a good energy, a fresh start. So, claim nyo na itong energy. Comment na below life's purpose. And yeah, kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Abangin na lang. Ako si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.